Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is how your next 3 months will be, friends. What's going to happen in your next 3 months, where you will be in your love, work, life in general. Friends, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now, friends. Do subscribe, Magic Wens Tarot, friends. Subscribe, like, and share. I say it all the time because many of you don't subscribe. Don't hate us, friends. We work very hard, and please appreciate our hard work even in such tiring times. We have posted every day, so thank you so much for your love, your support, and your infinite blessings. And friends, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. And join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. And this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. I'll also be using these cubes which you all requested because you liked them in the last video I posted earlier. So here they are, and let's see what's going to happen in the next 3 months for you, friends. You can join our new channel Magic Wens Tarot Hindi Urdu for more readings or for more exclusive readings there. Subscribe, link is in the timestamp. So let's take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, relax, choose option 1, this beautiful orange flower. Option number 2, this beautiful silver flower. Option number 3, this beautiful purple flower. Take a deep breath, relax, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section. You can directly skip there to choose your number or take the timestamp from there. You can also pause the video, friends, if you need more time. And you can also choose more than one pile or watch the entire video. It's up to you, friends. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoy our readings and the setup. Like this video, friends. So let's begin with pile number 1. I am super excited to know how your next 3 months are going to be. This is pile number 1, those who chose this orange flower. It's quite glittery, it's quite orangey. This is your advice for the next 3 months, and this is your oracle messages. We're gonna look at them in shortly. We'll also be pulling some charms, these dices for you to see extra guidance, you know. Let's see your cards. Wheel of Fortune. I want to sing today because I'm happy for you, friends. Wheel of Fortune, that's exciting, isn't it? The Knight of Rods, even better. The Empress. Wow, friends. Now look what's coming. Empress, the Wheel of Fortune. The Chariot, beautiful. The King of Cups. And the Emperor. This is interesting, friends. You have the Empress and the Emperor. Wow, friends, this is amazing. So, how your next 3 months are going to be? Fast. They are going to be fast, and they are going to be, positive, very positive. Next 3 months. 3 months from now, you are going to move ahead in your life. I see some of you are traveling, some of you are, your life is moving ahead in every way. Your love life, your work, your career, your education, things are moving ahead. And why? Because wheel is with you, luck is with you, fortune is with you, your hard work is paying off. I see you are working very hard. Pile number 1, you are waiting, you are doing your work, you have been patient, you know, but you are waiting for things to move ahead. Next 3 months are your time, friends. Absolutely, all your hard work, your patience, it's going to be rewarded. It is going to bring you luck. It is going to bring you what you are trying to manifest. Some of you are trying to manifest something. Maybe it's a job. Maybe it's a love life, maybe it is a wedding, a romantic partner, marriage, or maybe it's education. You are going to get it in the next 3 months, friends. Things are going to shift. It's like shift coming, major shifts, and positive movement coming. You are going to be very, very powerful, and I also feel you are going to feel extremely happy 3 months from now because you had been very strong, friends. You deserve it. You have been through hell and back. But you deserve this happiness. You had been strong, so next 3 months or 3 months from now, you are going to be emotionally fulfilled. You are going to feel happy. You're also going to feel like that, a satisfaction that yes, you have achieved something what you were looking for, or things are moving in the right direction. I feel for some of you, if you are looking for work, yes, not only work but success will be yours. Some of you could be getting a promotion if you are already working. Some of you could be getting some support from your senior, a boss. Maybe you will join their team, your boss team, or your seniors team. Maybe you are going to be promoted yourself in the next 3 months. I also feel some of you are going to become masters at something. Maybe you will go for postgraduates, higher education, research, PhDs. You're going to go for it and you'll enjoy it. You'll enjoy it. You'll be very lucky. I feel some of you are waiting for world travel or something, or some permits, some visas. Um, Maybe like because of the world situation, you are waiting for to travel. You need to travel but you can't right now, so that's going to be fulfilled in the next 3 months. So good news, friends. I do some world predictions from these readings, very 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 sneakily, so always watch these readings if you want to know some world predictions also from my side. I usually don't make separate videos, but I do that in personal such pick a card readings. So yes, I do see you getting permission, or you getting the visas, the permits, the passports, or some sort of a change is coming, a change which will help you to travel. It will help you to overcome something which is a problematic situation in your life. And definitely, friends, you deserve it. You have worked so hard at it. And I also feel, friends, some of you are going to be recognized for your wisdom, for your power, for your leadership skills, and in your, whether you are a man or a woman, your work skills are going to be really, really appreciated everywhere. I also feel if you are looking for a baby, or if you are looking for some expansion in your family, it is going to happen in the next 3 months. There is a very very high chance. Some of you have already become a mother, so your baby has a great future, your child has great future. Or in the next 3 months, someone in your family could be expecting, or you are expecting. I also see, friends, your creativity will be very high. If you are struggling right now, you are not having any creativity, or you are not finding the passion for life, you feel life is boring right now, or it is too much work right now. But 3 months from now, life is going to be exciting. Angels are going to walk with you. Universe is going to help. Sorry, friends. See how things are turning? That's how the things are going to turn. They are going to flip for you. Right now is a struggle. You're waiting. Things are not moving, but they will ahead. They will. I see some of you. I actually see some of you. I have this vision, not in the cards, but I have this. I'm getting this vision that some of you are going to get married, or you are going to visit a wedding, and there you are going to meet someone special, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person in the next 3 months, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, and life is going to shift, friends. Life is going to shift. This person that you will meet at a wedding, they are the one for you. They are your emperor, they are your empress, they are your king, your queen, your mama, dada, the one for you, friends. And I see you getting married. 50% of you, or maybe like 10-20% of you, will be getting married 3 months from now. And the rest of you will be meeting the person you are destined to get married with or have a child with. It's beautiful. and you're gonna feel, I see this change coming very quickly and unexpectedly into your life. You're not expecting this change to come or this person to come in your life. It's like you have given up hope. You're focusing on career, money, you're not focusing on love, but boom, they are coming in your life 3 months from now. I also feel, friends, if you are having some legal issues or some, uh, legal issues or some sort of issues with authority, they are going to be resolved 3 months from now. I see that many people, if you are single, many people are going to offer you love. Not just one person, but someone from the past will also want to offer you love and make help correct a relationship or say sorry or apologize to you. But I see you will not be you will not be accepting them back, but this person will try to say sorry or something to you. They want to offer this cup of love to you, and but you will accept someone who will work with in the partnership, who is there for you, and not just someone who says many things but isn't actually there for you. I also feel some of you are having issues in the marriage or within the family. Your family situation is not good. Your like your relationship with your parents or in-laws or your husband or wife, things are not going good right now. Maybe you feel your marriage has lost the spark, but friends, rest assured 3 months from now passion is going to return in your marriage, in your family. I also feel if you have some issues with your family members, your brothers, sisters, mother, father, things are going to resolve, friends. Things are going to resolve. You will find more support in the next 3 months, and it is destined for you. I feel it's necessary for you. And it is coming because you have worked hard. You have become so mature. Look at this. Someone has their eye on you in the next 3 months. This person has their eye on you, and they are going to sweep you, friends. They are going to sweep you. This person is very, very good looking, very beautiful, very strong. And you may know this person, or they are coming unexpectedly into your life. I also feel, friends, you are working for something right now. I don't know what you are working on because it is a general reading. So, some of you are working for finances, some of you are working for a better career, a business. Maybe you have started an online shop, a cake shop, a fashion shop, a jewelry shop, or something. Or you make something, textile or something like that. I see some of you writing a book also in the next 3 months. I don't know why, but I keep getting like you need to write, you need to write, you need to write. So some of you could be because you also have the this high, I don't know, high priestess. No, it's the empress. I feel you, this is the card of creativity, friends. I feel your intuition is telling you something about you need to do right now, and you should do it because if you are getting the idea to write a book, go ahead and write it. Even if it's a rough draft, write it, because it is your book. It is something, it may lead to something other in your life, so please go ahead and do it. I see a lot of harmony coming your way, friends. If you feel anxiety, health issues, depression right now, friends, the main thing you need to keep in mind is that next 3 months will be different from what you feel right now. So stay there, hang in there, don't give up. Don't be so emotional, because be bold, be passionate, be strong as a warrior. I always say, friends, many of you are feeling right now, like life is tough. What should we do? We are good people. What should we do? We are suffering. I would say one thing, friends. Remember, even if you are a good person, you are still a warrior. Fight. Remember that, fight hard. And I see that you are feeling very emotional right now, pessimistic also. You want to give up. Maybe you are feeling depressed. Maybe you are feeling anxious. You may also be saying, like, nah, this will not happen with me in my life. This won't happen for me. No, friends, it will happen for you, and you will make it happen. Why? Because you are a warrior. We all are. We all are, friends. We all are. So trust in yourself. Be this builder. Be this builder. Don't be this person who stays in darkness. Be the person who walks in light. And exactly that's how I see you. You are coming out like a phoenix, and look what you have chosen, this beautiful orange flower. And orange is about fire, orange is about purification, orange is about power, orange is about positivity. So, a lot of power, positivity is coming your way, luck is coming your way, and your hard work will be bringing you success. And I see you starting some new work. I don't know, I keep getting like you are working, you have already started it, but it's not going as you have. As you desire. Maybe it's a new job, it's a new business, or you are learning something as a student, but right now it's not going so positively, or it's very slow. But your work, your career, your business, your money is going to highly improve in the next 3 months. Let's see your extra cards. Nurture, number three, friends. It's time to nurture your dreams. Take care of yourself. Put yourself forward. Your life matters. I always say this thing, friends. In 2020, what is the most important thing? You matter. Your life matters. Your hard work matters. Your voice matters. Your your hard work, your whatever you bring to this life, it matters. It may seem it's very little, but it matters. So you matter. Nurture yourself. Your dreams matter, friends. Work on them. And it's the perfect time to work on your dreams, because so you matter. Work on your dreams, friends. Work on them, and keep stay positive. Keep taking care of your health. Keep if you want a relationship, love yourself. It's coming, friends. A new relationship, I see it. If you are already in a stuck relationship, expect things to move ahead, but stay positive, friends, and make yourself a priority. Nurture your dreams, your goals, your health. Let's see this extra card. Occupation number 34. Yes, friends, you are going to get a new occupation or money, or some of you are going to find a shift or relocate because of work or because of education. I also feel some of you will marry someone or will meet someone from a love interest through your work, so that is also there. And I told you textile is important, and look, this person is stitching. So textile, food, chefs, cooking, all those areas, these things which involve nourishment, yoga, fitness, those things are important next 3 months for you, friends. Let's see what else will happen in the next 3 months for you for pile number one. Okay, I got many cards for you. Let's see. See, you're building your life. You're building your life, friends. Look at this. Number 28. 28 is important for some of you. You're building your life, friends. You have already started your work and you are moving forward. Don't give up. Don't doubt yourself. It's just a slow wait right now, but don't lose your patience. Trust me. Don't give up. You matter. Remember, you matter. You matter to us. If you don't matter to anybody, you matter to us, and that's the most important thing. Magic Wands Tarot and I and all of us here, we are a community. We love you, we appreciate you, so you matter. Never ending story. Yes, you are upset, you are anxious right now. You feel life will not change, it's taking forever, things to move forward. Friends, don't give up. I'm again telling you this thing because you have a very, very bright future and you are going to create it. It's not my reading that's going to create it. It's not destiny. We both are with you, destiny and me, this channel, everyone. But it's your spirit. It's your hard work that's going to shift your life. Fork in the road. Yes, positive changes are coming your way, friends. You will not be stuck forever. Things are going to shift. Things are going to move forward. Imagine all the people. This song is such a beautiful song. I think you should go and listen to the John Lennon song. Imagine all the people living in peace. I think that's the lyrics. So yeah, imagine. Imagine what you can do. Imagine a bright future. I have imagined for you. In fact, I have seen it for you with my own eyes right now. So I know it's going to happen, but you have a free will, friends. You can manifest it. You can manifest it even better than I see it for you or in the cards for you. So go ahead, manifest. If you are already manifesting something, yes, it is coming your way, friends. In the next 3 months, communications are coming. I see big communications, maybe a job offer from a global company, a partnership from a global company, or you are going to do something which has worldwide influence. So, congratulations, Pilwan. Let's see your advice, then we'll pull these cubes for you. Positive energy, surround yourself with positive people, situations, and avoid negativity. I told you, friends, you are a little pessimistic right now, and I think it is because people are not supporting you, people are not understanding you, your family, your friends. No one is understanding you. It's not your fault. I know this is how 2020 is. No one understands anyone, but yeah, we are all still understanding everyone. I would say stay positive, friends. Stay positive. I know it's tough, but try and stay positive because things are going to shift for you. The more positive you stay, the quicker this change will be for you. And great things, new job, or definitely a better job or more income is coming your way. I see you moving ahead, especially in education, in your love life, communications are coming, changes are coming. So great things ahead. Let's see. Let me just roll these dice for you. Let's see what will be the dice for you. For pile number one, the next 3 months for pile number one. Wow, you have the charger, so the charger, the pin, the shock. Yes, things are going to work out for you, friends. The charging pin, you are going to get this charged up. The next 3 months, I'm not lying, see? Oh my god, friends. Yes, you are going to feel like this happy person, charged up, happy, positive. Anchor. Yes, you are going to find your anchor. Yes, you are going to find people which will support you. You are going to be that person who supports others. I see if you don't have a job right now, I actually see that 3 months from now you will be giving jobs to other people. Trust me, friends, trust me. That's your destiny. You are going to find this anchor, someone to help you, someone to support you, someone to build a home with, build a life with, a future with. You also have the cat, the wisdom. Friends, you are very wise. Listen to your intuition, listen to the divine signs. And cats are also about protection. And you also have this shield, angel shield. You are very protected, friends. Don't worry. And look at this. You also have the male and the female. Wow. Some of you are definitely going to get married or enter a business partnership or maybe a job partnership, or you're going to meet someone, a soul family, start a family. Wow, friends, this is beautiful. I also feel, friends, you are going to find a lot of balance. Maybe within you right now, you don't feel balanced within your male and female. Maybe some of you are from the rainbow tribes and you are struggling with that, with telling your family about those issues, or accepting those facts yourself. You are going to be fine, friends. You are going to be absolutely fine and successful. Trust, we are with you. So friends, that's it for now. This is amazing. I'm super excited. You have such a positive reading. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share this channel, friends. We work very hard. Keep me motivated. Don't make me pessimistic. Like, share, subscribe. And if you don't support our English work, friends, how am I going to continue it? Don't hate us, please. We do not appreciate hate here. We only appreciate love and respect. So support, and if you don't enjoy them, you can unsubscribe and go away. I don't have a problem. But if you do enjoy, subscribe. Let me know in the comments, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying so bye. Friends, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful silver flower, how your next 3 months are going to be. I hope you can see it because the background is white. Here is the flower. So friends, I will be pulling the charms, these dices for you, as many of you requested these dices again because you enjoyed them. So this is your advice for the next 3 months. These are your oracle messages. We're gonna look at them shortly. Let's see your cards. What's going to happen 3 months from now? Where you will be? Temperance. Nice. Wow, Page of Swords. Messages are coming. The Nine of Cups. Yay, celebrations. Oh my God, what's that song? I don't know. It's a song about celebrations. Oh, I keep getting that song. Happy, happy. I think it's from Pharrell Williams. Happy, happy. So yes. You also have the Four of Cups, the Seven of Cups, the Two of Cups. Oh la la. Oh my God, friends, you are getting love in the next 3 months, and the Eight of Pentacles. Someone wants to work on you, friends. Oh, interesting. Very nice. Friends, I definitely see some wishes are going to come true 3 months from now, and you are going to come in a very, very balanced place. Then, in 3 months from now, right now, you are not feeling happy. You are not at all balanced, and your life is completely imbalanced, or like, it's like if work goes well, you feel your love life sinks, and if your love life is going well, your love or finances sink. So you are like, why can't I have both? My love life is good, my work is good, why can't I have them? I think it's going to happen for you, friends. This balance is coming for you. I see a wish come true in the 3 months from now. 3 months from now, some wishes are coming true for you, and you will be very, very happy. I also see some important messages coming your way 3 months from now. I see you very, very busy, extremely busy actually in work, in your love life also, but in work, I see you busy. I also see you getting a lot of money. I see a steady flow of money. I don't know what's the better word for it. I see that money is coming towards you, and you will be working hard, Not that you have to work hard, but because so much money, so much of orders, or so I don't know, maybe you'll find something that's very interesting at work. You will be working, money will be flowing. I see, in fact, I see this, this flooding of money towards you, and it's amazing, friends. Some of you are looking for that, or some of you are waiting for some, you know you want to perfect your work. You are perfectionist. You may be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you are Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So you want perfection. You may be any sun signs, but I feel you want perfection. You will be, next 3 months, you will be working to improve your skills, improve your gifts, your talents. You will be learning something new. If you have already started, you will be getting better at it, and you will be receiving many compliments. Yes, I see some of you will be, maybe you are writing poetries, maybe you are writing something, you are getting a lot of compliments for it, for it. 3 months from now, maybe you are singing a song, maybe you are learning or playing an instrument, getting better at it, and you getting compliments for it. Yes, and yes, celebrations. I see some of you have started some online work also, or you will be 3 months from now, and you will be celebrating something, a mini victory or something. Definitely, friends, if you are already working or if you are looking for work, yes, it's coming, and more money is coming, friends. What a good thing to have. I see what will happen 3 months from now. Friends, you will get your life in balanced, and I think you desperately want balance in your life, happiness, because you are here where you keep giving to people, but nobody returns that love to you. I think the pile number two are like, the people which are like introverts. Maybe you are shy, maybe you are very loving, you are shy, you are very compassionate, but you feel nobody returns your love. People use you, they abuse you, nobody loves you. You are not getting that love that you desire, or that money, that work, that respect you desire. It's not coming right now. You feel unhappy, you feel something is missing out from your life. I also feel, friends, 3 months from now, you will have a lot of decisions to make, because not only work will be going good, you will also be getting many work options or like projects. So you will have to decide which one to take or not to take. I also feel you will be busy because a lot of love proposals will be coming your way, and you will have to choose whether to say yes to them or no to them. I do see a partnership coming towards you. I do see a strong soulmate connection coming to you in the next 3 months. And I see this person might be from the long distance, or they might want to visit you, or they want to take things ahead in the next 3 months. So you will be like, oh my god, what's happening? They want to meet me. Yeah, 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 I'm on top of the world. And also, you may feel a little confused because this person wants you, they are interested in you, they want to date you, or they have already sent you a gift or will be sending you a gift in 3 months from now. So you're like, why is this person doing all this? Who? Because, friends, they want to work this relationship, they want you for life. If you are single, friends, yes, you are going to meet someone. I see this person might start conversations through online, through social media, or you may meet them through social media, through dating sites, or through common friends, or at a party, or you may meet them, when you are celebrating something in your work, through your work, or through your, education, like universities, colleges. You are going to meet this person, and they will offer you this cup of love. 2 months, 3 months, I don't know why I said 2 months, maybe they are coming early. This prince or princess is in a rush, they want you now. And they'll sing for you. I feel either you are going to sing for them or they are going to sing for you. I also feel that there is a twin flame connection for some of you that is going to get healed in the next 3 months. Right now, things are not going well. Like if you are married, things are not going well. Things you feel left out. This person is not choosing you. They have, like, even if you are married, husband or wife, there is a lot of confusion going on right now regarding your marriage, relationships. But 3 months from now, you can expect balance. You can expect clarity. You can expect clear communications from people around you. If you are a student, what will happen? Let's see that. Oh, I definitely see that you are going to be, you are scared of something as a student. Maybe you are scared of public speaking, or you are scared of, like, being bold, being confident, or maybe you are an artist, a singer, a musician, or maybe, you are scared to speak up in public, even at interviews. You are going to change that, friends. You are going to change. There is some fear in you or some insecurity that you are going to overcome 3 months from now. It's going to make you feel very, very happy. I see celebrations. So yes, interesting. And that's what you are missing right now: happiness, friendships, connections, life on a high. Yes, it's going to happen. And you will be working, you will be working very hard. You'll be very, very busy next 3 months. Let's see your extra cards, then I'm going to pull these charms and the advice for you. Community number 39. So yes, some of you may start working for your community, social work. Some of you may also be some of you will be starting social work, or getting into this family, or meeting your family, your friends, or you will get new friendships which will be like family to you. This is about community. Look at this: finding your soul tribe, meeting your soul family. This is exciting. Maybe you will rediscover Magic Wands Tarot in a new way in the next 3 months, because we are all a community here. Maybe you will all join us. Who knows? Isn't it, friends? I definitely feel, friends, maybe some of you will make your relationships public, official. because I do see that someone will offer you or date you officially, publicly. You may get engaged. So, those are the happy energies, like you have a twin flame. Things are not going right now, but things are not going right at this moment, but in the future, things will get better. And let's see, move number 7. See, things are moving, friends. Things are moving spiritually. Things are moving for you. Um, in love, also, things are moving ahead for you. I also see some sort of a relationship or your love life progressing in the next 3 months, and your finances also moving ahead. If you feel your finances are really bad right now, please stay positive. This Nine of Cups of happiness is going to happen. Oh my God, message. I didn't shuffled also, and look at this card, message in a bottle. Someone is going to message you, friends, in the next 3 months. You also have the Page of Swords. Messages are coming, and I see this is not even going to take 3 months. It's going to happen in 2 months, 2 days from now. Good Lord. Pile number 2, what are you up to? I also see, friends, some of you, I feel like I see you buying something. Like, I keeps getting this vision. Like, maybe some of you are going to buy or rent a house or move in because you have this move. And I see your hand with a key, So maybe some of you are going to buy a vehicle or automobile or a house or, something, and someone is going to message you. I also feel that some news regarding your money, your education are also coming from long distance. Messages of love definitely are coming. And let's see what will happen, what else will happen for pile number 2 next 3 months for now. Co-create, yes, you are creating a new life, you are creating better things, and I feel someone wants to create with you because you have this 2 of cups. Maybe your friends will join you, you will start a YouTube channel, you will be hit, you'll be like, I don't know what you are up to. Maybe you'll start some restaurants with your friends, or maybe you'll start some joint projects at your work. They'll be very successful. Let's see. I think someone wants to join you. Helpful people, they are your soul family, absolutely. You're upset with not having a family or not having some support. What will happen 3 months from now, angels? Pile number 2, deep knowing. Friends, you know already. You know what's going to happen. You already know. Don't doubt it. Don't doubt it. Also, you will be getting very wise next 3 months. Your wisdom will increase, your knowledge, your spiritually, you will be. I don't know how to say this in simpler words, but spiritually, you will be awakening. Spiritually, your knowledge will grow, your clarity will grow, your wisdom, you will feel balanced. Life will be good. Life will be great, actually. And I think you will meet someone who understands you completely, and you understand them also, like family, or maybe friends, or new people coming in your life, people who can understand each other without much efforts. Let's see your advice. Have faith, your prayers are manifesting. Remain positive and follow your guidance. Yes, friends, have faith because you have the card of co create, you have the 9 of Cups. So, wishes are coming true, friends. They are going to come true. Have faith, your prayers are manifesting. Stay positive and follow the guidance. Yes, follow your guidance because you have the deep knowing. So let's see your charms, these cubes, and then what's going to happen. Let's see that. For pile number 2, oh my god, what's going to happen the next 3 months for pile number 2? Wow, that was loud. I think that's a fan, a ceiling fan, or maybe you can take it as a windmill or something. So changes are coming. changes are coming. I do see people complimenting you, so you may be getting more compliments. People who are, liking you, who are expressing their love, their adoration, their admiration for you. Fan is like, you getting some fans, you becoming a celebrity. So friends, are you giving me your autograph? Because I definitely want it. Yes, I do see things, fan is also the energy of change, positive change, quick changes, very quick changes. And what is this? Wow, this is a shark. This is beautiful, friends. Yes, you know, some things are missing right now in your life. Don't get upset about. I feel like you are feeling very argumentative right now. Maybe you are feeling very defensive right now, like you have nobody, you feel a lack of support. You also feel like people are against you, so you have to defend yourself, you have to argue with people, you have to tell them go away, don't bother with me. I don't know why, but I feel you're argumentative right now, but it's going to change, friends. This energy of this shark, people biting you, people fighting you, it's going to change. Things are going to get better, things are going to get balanced for you. What is this? Let's see. I feel it's a man with a hat. See, this is the man with the hat. So, yes, some things are going to work out for you. Yeah, this is a man with a hat, definitely. It feels like a detective. So maybe you are looking for something, or someone is searching for you. Maybe you are looking for that, perfect partnership, perfect relationship, or that perfect love. Where is that Two of Cups? Here, see? Maybe you are looking for this perfect partnership. You have searched everywhere, but they are not, you are not able to find it. But trust me, your person is also looking at you. They are also trying to find you. Have some faith, friends. Have faith. Your prayers are coming true. I love these messages from here. And man and a woman, yes, friends, I see you partying definitely, because you have the card of community. You going out, making some new friends, doing some social work. I also see you working with pets or animals, or with plants, with nature. So that is also there. And you have the mustache. Ooh, sexy times ahead, friends. I do see a very handsome hunk, or a very, very sexy, passionate lover, or a lady coming in your life 3 months from now. Congratulations, friends. So that's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Wens Tarot. Let me know if this reading resonated with you, if you enjoyed it. Join us, like this video, join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful pink magenta flower, let's see how your next 3 months will be. This is your advice. These are your oracle messages. We're gonna look at them shortly, and let's see. Your cards will also be pulling these love charms, general charms from here. The dice is 8 of Wands, the 10 of Wands. Oh my god, the 10 of Swords, the 10 of Cups. My god, friends, you have all the 3 10s here except the 10 of Pentacles. The 10 of Cups, the 10 of Swords, the 10 of Wands. Oh my god. And the Sun, thank god for that. And the 6 of Wands. Oh my god, friends, I need to give you a major high five right now. And pile number 3, oh my god. You're going through some really tough times right now. You're going through some really, really tough times. Something has ended in your life. You have just ended a relationship, maybe a marriage, a toxic connection, or maybe you feel like you are at your life's worst right now, at the worst phase of your life, the lowest, the bottom pit. You feel like you are here. If this is your life is a glass, you feel like you are here. It's bottom. You don't know what to do now. Oh my god. I also feel, friends, you have tried to make your life better. You have tried everything, maybe a relationship, you have tried to make it work, a love, marriage, you have tried to make it work with your parents, with your. You are loaded with responsibilities right now, friends. And I see you are carrying a weight. Everyone is putting their blames on you, everyone is putting their responsibilities on you. You feel crushed. You feel crushed, friends. I'm so sorry for that. Oh God. But friends, the good news is this is all ending for you because you are very close to ending this phase. You have both this pressure on you, this responsibility, this negativity that's in your life, people putting you, people abusing you, or putting all their pressures, weight on you. That's going to change, friends. That's going to change. You are very close. And I feel you have already ended a bad relationship, a toxic friendship, a marriage, or a toxic. It was not good. It was you tried, but it was not working. Maybe you had to leave a negative job and you feel unhappy about it right now. But friends, it is a blessing in disguise. Why? Because things are going to get better for you. Yes, your success is coming, friends. Please don't give up. Please do not give up. You are going to be successful, and it is going to amaze you, surprise you, and excite you because you are not expecting this thing to happen. 3 months from now, you will be getting some good news regarding your career. Maybe if you are stuck right now in your career, it will start moving ahead. Not just that, you will be promoted or appreciated and respected for your work. Like if you are working for like you are preparing for an exam and you were not at all successful this time, or maybe in the past you are worried with the world situation, you are not at all prepared for exams or for that interviews, but friends, you will be coming out in good colors. Look at this, 6 of Wands. You will be successful in whatever you are suffering right now. You are going to be successful 3 months from now. Something you are not, something is, there is something which you are not successful at right now, you are struggling at. Things will change 3 months from now. You will get your success in that. Maybe it's a job, maybe it's that exam you are giving, maybe you are trying, you have some legal issues going on, or maybe your parents are not understanding you, your in-laws are not understanding you. You are going to win, friends. You are going to absolutely win. I assure you this thing. You are going to come back. I feel in 2 months only, and say that this reading came out absolutely true because I know, friends, I feel it in my bones. This is going to happen for you. This victory is coming. And I think you can celebrate this victory in a big way because this is hard-earned victory. If I feel some of you have been single from a very long time and people have been telling you you are single, you are this, you are that, you have been, it's been a difficult journey till now. Maybe you have married but it didn't work out, so you are single again, or you tried to love but they hurted you, abused you, or rejected you. So you are suffering at the moment. But friends, remember, your rainbow is coming because right now you are in the storm. But why? Because your rainbow is coming. Things are going to shift. This 10 of Cups of happiness, this ultimate happiness will be yours. Something will happen that will create a positive change in your life, a shift in your mindset. 3 months from now, you are going to find support in your life, love in your life, acceptance in your life. If a family situation is not healing, it will heal 3 months from now. If you are single, I definitely feel someone new coming your way, or some partnership getting better and amazing healing happening. If you are dealing with a twin flame, yes, they are going to come back and things are going to heal. If you are single and worried about your marriage or something, friends, rest assured you will find someone, or a very good friendship. Support is coming your way, communications are coming your way. 3 months from now, a lot of communications. People will want to talk to you. The same people who are rejecting you right now, they are going to be shocked 3 months from now that, oh my god, OMG, what happened? Trust me, friends, trust me. I guarantee you this. It's on me, Magic Vents Tarot. People who are rejecting you will be shocked by your success 3 months from now. And your success will be amazing. A lot of people are coming your way, a lot of messages are coming your way. I see that a lot of attraction will happen between you. Are attracting good things. You are like this magnet which is catching. You are like this Spider-Man, it is catching things from their hand. Spider Woman also, don't take gender so seriously. Spider-Man or a woman, we are all amazing here. And definitely, friends, you are going to get this amazing offers for love, attraction. You are attracting a very powerful romance. This is going to change your life. This is the man, this is the woman of your dreams or beyond your dreams. Look at this. This is your divine masculine, your divine feminine, the ultimate partner. And all this darkness, this this pain, this challenge, those people who are rejecting you, who are not even bothering about you, friends, they are going to be sorry, because your time is ahead. Your sun is going to shine. And you are going to feel this way, that yes, my time is here. I can do anything, I can achieve anything. And anything you set your mind for, you will achieve it in the 3 months from now. Why? Because it's your karma, friends. You have worked hard, you have loved, you have lost, you have done everything you can. I do see in work, I see a lot of messages are coming your way, messages from long distance about work. Maybe you will be working online, or maybe you will be, you will be working with technology or messages like teaching or communications are very important part of your job in the future. I also see, friends, that some of you could be buying a home or moving into a new home. I also see some of you, if you are married and that marriage is not working well, love and harmony is going to come your way. If you are a student, yes, you are going to clear an exam. Even if that exam result doesn't come out good, better things will happen for you. It is like everything that's not working out for you right now, it will be shown to you that it was all a blessing in the next 3 months. You can't see it right now, but it will be shown to you 3 months from now that yes, whatever ended was necessary. Whatever didn't go your way, it was necessary. And this success coming your way, that is also destined for you. I also see, if you are a student, your public persona will increase. Even at work, people will start knowing you. People will know your work. People will know your. You will be known in the next 3 months for something you do, whether you are a student or whether you are in job. And I also feel you will be attracting a lot of strong partnerships, sexual chemistry. People who are very drawn to you, like your twin flame is there, or a very important connection. People are drawn towards you. All sorts of people are coming. And positive relationships. I see ultimate harmony coming for you. Let's see your extra messages. Lead, number 4. Yes, I see some of you will be graduating. Some of you will be getting that hard-earned PhD degree. Some of you will be getting that certification. Maybe you never learned English, like many of you say we don't know English. I see you learning English, and not just that, speaking a better English than me. Imagine that. And you feeling so proud of yourself, like, yeah, we did it. You're going to do something, friends, which is going to surprise a lot of people. Your success is going to surprise people. You will be surprised too, but you knew it. You have worked hard, friends. You have worked 10 years for this. It's not something that has happened overnight for you, no. I also see that some of you will be getting that business approval done, or your business starts kicking. You start going, like if you are into home deliveries, like you have a business restaurant, you'll start home delivering and it will just boom your business. Wow. I also feel, if you are single, you have this amazing, sexy person coming into your life. Oh my God, friends, say yes. You are attracting a lot of people. And oh my God, look at this. Messages number 7, number 7, number 4 are important for you. Messages of love are coming, absolutely. And there is this, this phone also, telephone. So I definitely feel someone is going to write the messages, like you may write to someone, a celebrity or someone, and they will reply you back. So you'll be like, wow, what happened, they replied me back. Or you may start dating a celebrity, you never know, maybe you are the celebrity, you both are celebrities, you never know. Someone is going to message you, friends. I see it could be official, it could be love message also. Let's see what else will happen, then we'll see the dice. What else will happen 3 months from now for pile number 3? 3, 3. Pile 3, 3 months from now. Come to the edge. Yes, you are at the ending. Yes, you are at your between the worlds. Yes. Blessed. See, you're blessed, friends. Things are not going good right now. Trust me, for you. You feel completely like giving up on something, or you feel like life has tested you enough. And you are definitely you're just a step away. And again, see, this is the 3 card. So you are moving from this darkness into light. You see, if you are feeling anxiety, depression, health issues, friends, any sort of health issues, maybe you have gained weight because of the world situations, sitting at home all day, you have gained weight, you will be going to shift it, or start working out, feeling better. Trust me, friends, don't lose hope. You are very, very close. And here is the confirmation. Blessed number 22222. You are going to feel very blessed. Some things are not yet over, and this happiness has not yet happened for you. It will happen in the next 3 months. So trust, friends, trust. Okay, I need to pick that card. It went down. Wow, friends, the card that went down was this loyal heart. Wow, friends, someone is going to tell you they love you. You are going to find your loyal heart, your loyal person, your husband, your wife, that support, that happy family you are looking for. I also feel some of you are looking for trustworthy people at your work, or bosses, seniors, which are supportive of you. You are going to find it, friends. Trust me, it is your destiny. Trust me. And let's see your advice. Empowerment. You're more powerful than you realize. It is safe for you to be powerful. Yes, friends. Yes, people are trying to suppress you right now. But remember, you are going to come out. You are very powerful. I see some of you have never worked in your life, but you will shift in the next 3 months. You will start working. You will start studying. Maybe you are a student. You'll find this self-work or some first job. I also feel you had been single and you are very, very powerful, and you feel you will never meet a match of your kind, but you will, because you have a loyal heart coming towards you. You are going to attract it. This person is your twin flame, or the one for you. Let's see these extra cards. Let's see these dices. So let's pull some dices for pile number 3. What will happen next 3 months for pile number 3? Wow, see, you have the anchor. Yes, you are right now feeling very stuck in your life, friends. You are feeling like, when will things, you have given up hope. I feel like you feel things won't change, but they will, friends. Nothing remains constant. Things change. Radio is here. I do see you working on television, on social media. Maybe you'll start working on TV, Instagram, Facebook, or you will be meeting someone through these social media sites. So yes, that's there. I do see you doing something creative, dance, maybe art or something. Snake, you are, yes, you are transforming. Look at this snake. Empowerment. Snakes are very powerful. They are about spiritual awakening. They are about Kundalini rising. They are about transformations. And snakes also hibernate, so this is your time to hibernate. Stay quiet. If someone is testing you, don't say anything. If they are putting blames on you, don't say anything, because they will be shocked. Those who are right now telling you, have heard that quote. First they will question you, then they will belittle you, and then they will ignore you, and then you will win, when they start watching you that how you did it. So please don't give up. And this shark, yes, you are very powerful. Believe in your power. This is the empowerment card. Believe you are this shark. You can do it. And the angel feather, you are protected. Look at this, friends. You are very protected. Please trust in God, in angels. It's going to be, your miracle is coming very soon. That's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share this reading. If you enjoyed this reading, give it a thumbs up and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye.